Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? I hope you're all well. Happy New Year to you all. I hope it was a great one. Hope you all had a great Christmas as well. That's the most important thing. I hope you all stayed safe as well. So today we're at another regular customer's job. It's just the same again, just still doing a winter tidy up really. There's not many lawns to mow this time of year, so we're just going to get down and dirty in the mud really. So what we'll do today is we're going to clear out a load of perennials, and there's some ivy on the wall to cut back, and just, you know, general tidying up really. But yeah guys, before I start, I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys for subscribing and liking over Christmas time. I was blown away guys, honestly. It was like incredible, the amount of interaction I had on the channel, so I really appreciate that guys. And if you haven't already guys, you know, if you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comment as well. If you're leaving a comment, let us know that you've subscribed as well. That'd be awesome, just so I know who you are and I can give you that extra thumbs up guys. So I appreciate that guys, and we'll crack on and get to it. Cool. What we got today, a lot of clearing out along this channel here, and along here guys, there's all this ivy just growing up here, and then all this just needs weeding out, turning over. There's some Montbretia which needs cutting back down to the ground, turn that over. And then here we've just got some perennials and stuff which are now ready just to be sort of hacked back to the ground and just make the soil look a bit neater as well. Okay guys, cool, we'll get to that. Hey guys, so we're done today. So we've cleared all the way along here. There's just a rose, there's still a clematis, which is fine. We've cut that back as it just got lost. This is a new fence, and when they built this fence, there's a site going on at the minute. So when they built this fence, they threw a load of dirt from next door, and as you can see on their side, it's extremely weedy. So everything is growing either underneath the fence, because I don't know if you can see, there's quite a gap there, so can't help that, but we just got to keep on top of it now. And then over here we didn't get round to doing this section because we just run out of time. We're only here for a couple of hours, so we managed to get all this done though. This is all looking a lot nicer. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next.